I'm gonna have to sell the Vast Greys now, and I didn't want to do it, but these are that good.
Perfect.
Hello there broskies, Erkin back here with another video, and on today's episode we are having a look at the Nike Dunk High Pure Platinum. Now, I know I've just recently bought the Vast Greys and I was really happy with them, but before them I've had my eyes ever since that November release last year on these bad boys. But I went for the Vast Greys because I felt they had a bit more colour and a little bit more pop. But now I've got these in hand, the leather quality is just night and day. Honestly, even wearing these, they're so much more comfortable just because of those leather panels on the upper. But of course, these did release on the 13th of November last year, and they did retail for £95. Now I'm pretty shocked that the resale isn't as high, but of course, closer to summer, these will shoot up. At the time of recording this video, they go for about £150 to £160. So I'm gonna say straight away, don't sleep on it, pick these up ASAP. But having a quick look at the box, and it is very standard. It comes in that red Nike box, but the product sticker does read Nike Dunk High SP, and the official colorway is white and pure platinum. And I did actually put these on my top 5 white sneakers to get for summer 2021. And if you want to have a butcher's hook at that video, then the link is down below. But there are a lot of reasons why I've included this sneaker on that list. Not only because it is a dunk, but these are so simple, but they look so good at the same time. But having a more detailed look around this silhouette, and the leather panels straight away are so soft to touch. As you stroke certain panels, you can actually see them creasing. But the whole sneaker is of course in this white finish with the Nike swoosh in that grey colour. We've got the perforated holes on the toe box, and the tongue is that nylon texture with the white tab and the grey Nike branding. On the sock liner, it's got that very tinted grey look. And it's the same on the insole, but we've got that white Nike branding there too. Going to the back, again, we've got that white finish with the little pull tab as well, with these white leather straps that wrap around the heel counter. And these are actually loose, they're not stuck, it's just if you've laced them in place, they won't move. But we've got this white midsole, which was a very good decision. I felt like if they went for the reverse color and made it grey, these wouldn't have popped as much. But we've got this grey finish to the Nike Classic Dunk outsole. You know what I want to do with you? You know how like pirates have parrots? Just want to leave it on my shoulder and just leave it there, walk around with it. I know people used to tie it around their necks and have 2 dangling, but I just feel like this is sort of the better option. But in terms of the sizing, these fit very much true to size in my opinion. They fit like every other normal dunk that I've tried on. And of course, it's the same as the Jordan 1. However, I'm gonna say if you like more of a snug feel, then you might want to go half a size down. But in my opinion, these are true to size for me. I know if you've seen that video on how I caught these bad boys, you already know these are for my personal collection. But if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link down below. But I still have to make a decision to whether these are a buy or a buy. Of course, you've got the likes of the Air Force 1. But if you want something different compared to that Air Force 1, then you just can't go wrong with the Nike Dunk. Especially this high top version. These are so icy. It's not got as much colour as the Vast Greys, but for me, it doesn't need it. The quality of leather and of course that white icy finish is top tier in my opinion. Now I might actually do a comparison video with these and the Vast Greys. So if you do want that video, comment down below. But overall, there's very little I can nitpick on this sneaker. Just like Mash, this sneaker is an absolute banger. And of course, I'm going to give this silhouette a buy. But broskies, leave it down below what you think about this sneaker. Is this pure platinum a bit too plain for you? Are you looking to buy these for the summer? Or have you already copped a pair? Leave it all down below and I will be pinning the best comments. But don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And of course, until the next video, take care.